She is an amazing young talent who is highly recognized. Among her many awards are the following: Best Rising Young Star Award at the 14th Annual World Music and Independent Film Festival in 2023. Most Outstanding Fast Rising Performing Artist of the Year at the 2023 Philippine Fame and Fashion Business Awards. 2023 Little Miss Earth Maryland. And 2023 Princess Heritage of the Ilocano Society of America. And last but not least, Miss Worldwide International Princess Ambassador. Trinity will be singing Ikaw. Ladies and gentlemen, Trinity Bosley.
That was a wonderful presentation, Ninong John. Magandang gabi po. Good evening, everyone. Are you guys having fun? Yeah! Louder! Yeah! That's good. And I hope you like my song because I practiced really hard for this. DJ, music please. This is for all of you and also for Mamaga.
Possible.
Gonna be slack. Slack, nice job.
Ikaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.